Good afternoon. I'm Brent Wilsey, and welcome to today's Smart Investing Briefing.
And I'm Chase Wilsey, talking about one of my favorite restaurants today. So excited to talk about it. I'm not going to say what it is.
Well, it's right there.
Oh, surprise!
Surprise, you don't know. It's no secret. But they may not know what these little guys are, because what these little guys are, guess what's coming, people? Robotic Bartender is on the way. Now, this sounds like, and people said, well, robots can't replace everything. It's kind of amazing what they're replacing. I never thought about this, but there's a lot of benefits to it. First off, they're more efficient than humans. Now, if you're a company, you got that bartender, I'll give you a little bit more booze and so forth. The robots are not going to do that. They're going to give you the exact amount, and that's it.
Oh, yeah, and there's a twofold way to think about this as well. When you go in and you go to the bar, you always got to tip that bartender. You don't have to tip a robot.
Yeah.
So that's a big plus.
A win-win on both sides with that one.
Yeah, and the other thing I think about, too, though, is like at speakeasies.
Yeah.
You kind of go in there and you want to talk to that bartender.
Right.
I'm thinking this is more in the club scene where it's, bump, bump, and you can't even hear anything. This would be a perfect place for the robotic bartender.
And they'll go very quick and so forth. But the problem with it is that if you're the loudest guy in the bar, or you're the wealthiest guy, or lady, sorry, if you're the prettiest, the robot doesn't care.
No favoritism there, yeah.
No, exactly. So it's like, I'm the prettiest, sorry. And they're just going to pull it down from the ceiling, is what they're going to do, and just do it. It's kind of incredible. Now, who says this is not going to work? No surprise here. Bartending schools say not going to happen. But again, it's happening already. It was actually on a cruise ship of Royal Caribbean. They already have it on the cruise ship.
Yeah, I'm not surprised to hear this again. We keep talking about this $15 minimum wage and how minimum wage needs to keep increasing. For these bartenders in these fast food restaurants, they're going to find ways around it, because they'd say, I'd rather make a $50,000 investment in a robot that's more efficient than a lot of these lazy people that don't even want to work. So, it's kind of something that you definitely have to watch out for. And we're also seeing it for robots for room service.
And hotels.
Yeah. It's kind of a cool thing.
And it's kind of, because that will replace the bellmans and so forth, and the people that bring your food to the room and so forth. And the thing is, these robots won't ask for a raise. They won't ask for time off. They won't get sick. So there's a lot of benefits to it. But again, it is because of, as a business owner, I can pay somebody $15 an hour for 40 hours a week, or I can buy a robot that I might have it paid off in a year, maybe 2 years, and that's mine forever. So a lot of benefits there. So be looking at the club. I'd say maybe a year or so down the road, you might start seeing, again, going to Royal Caribbean cruises, and you'll see it there already. So, all right, let's talk about the company of the day. That's a Cheesecake Factory, your favorite restaurant. And again, I like it too. I love going there as well. Looking at the stock, has come up a lot since 2012. Kind of about the peak right now. 52-week high at 60, the low 44 at 58.20. Let's see if this is still a buy or not, because it does look kind of pricey. Cheesecake Factory, sales are pretty good, up 6.1%, earnings up 20%. So I guess their earnings are doing pretty well on top of the sales.
Oh, absolutely. It's looking real good.
Yeah. And then the dividend, now they do pay a nice dividend, 1.7% dividend. And I like this. They only use 30% of the earnings to pay out that dividend.
And as always, let's take a look at that balance sheet. Current ratio here, kind of surprised to see this, just 0.6. And the quick ratio, again, which excludes inventory, is just 0.48. So not a lot of liquidity there. I do not like to see that. But a major plus here, absolutely no debt on the balance sheet. And I was looking at this company. They are not a franchise type business. They actually own the restaurants that they operate, all of them out there. So I thought that was interesting. That might be why we don't see debt and a higher amount of equity than some other companies.
Not a lot of them, is there? A lot of restaurants.
I think there's about 200 or 300 that I saw. I was surprised by that, because we have 2 down here in San Diego, and it's a great restaurant. Should be in every state. But anyways, moving forward, December 2017, estimated earnings per share of $3.06. Unfortunately, only gives us a target sell price of $50.49. So even though I love that restaurant, love the food, love the cheesecake, of course, not loving the stock.
Yep. So again, we'll go there and eat, but we won't eat the stock right now. So, all right. Well, thank you for joining our Smart Investing Briefing. If you'd like to find out more about more information about our upcoming investment workshop on December 3rd,
it's going to be located at the Crown Plaza Resort and Hotel down in Mission Valley. And you can just give us a call at 858-546-4306, or you can go to our website, smartinvesting2000.com.